Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the heterogeneity in Pakistani society. यूजली ये होता है कि हर सोसाइटी के अंदर बहुत से कल्चरल फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो यकसानियत का इजहार करते हैं. बहुत सी चीज़ें जो हैं वो कॉमन आइडेंटिटी को रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं, लेकिन बहुत सी ऐसे एस्पेक्ट्स भी होते हैं जिनकी वजह से यकसानियत नहीं बल्कि इनफरादियत नुमायाँ होती है. इस इनफरादियत की कुछ वजूहात जो हैं वो कल्चर के अंदर होती हैं और कुछ जो हैं वो सोसाइटी के बाहर से वारिद होती हैं. Muslim society of Pakistan took great influence from Hindu as well as British culture during the colonial period as well. And जो external cultural influences थे, it played a very key role, very significant role in changing the Muslim culture in the subcontinent. बहुत से ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिनमें आर्ट था, लिटरेचर था, इसके अलावा लैंग्वेज थी, पेंटिंग था, ड्रेसिंग पैटर्न था, म्यूज़िक था. इन सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर जो है एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स के इन्फ्लुएंस की वजह से कल्चर के अंदर बहुत से हेट्रोजीनियस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स नमूदार हुए. कल्चर ऑफ पाकिस्तान comprises of numerous and diverse cultures because of the ethnic variation as well, and also because of the linguistic variation, where we have Punjabis, Kashmiris, Sindhis in the east, as well as Mohajis and Makranis in the south, and Balochis and Pashtuns in the west, and the people of Chitral and Gilgit-Baltistan in the north of Pakistan. So these all are creating a lot of variation, cultural variation in Pakistani society. But that doesn't mean that we do not possess the homogeneous characteristics. We will talk about the homogeneous characteristics as well. But each society, each ethnicity has their unique subculture and customs and values. And in our coming modules, we're going to talk about each of the cultural variation distinctively and precisely. So here are few glimpses of that cultural variation based on ethnicities in Pakistan. As you can see, these are the glimpses of Gilgit-Baltistan, and then we have the typical cultural representation of Chitral. On the left side, you can see the festival being celebrated in Chitral. On the right side, you can view Khizan का एक जो है वो typical season का एक effect जो है वो present करने की कोशिश की गई है इस picture में. Then we have the cultural representation of Balochistan. As you can see on the right side, there is the snowfall in the Quetta. And on the left side, it's a very splendid, very beautiful scene of the hidden springs of Khuzdar. Here we have two pictures from KPK. These are the typical representations of the common routine daily life of people. On the left side, you can see a male who is fetching the fodder for his cattle, and on the left side, you can see the women in their typical dresses. And here we can see the Clifton on the right side, a beautiful sunset scene of Clifton, Karachi. And on the left side, you can see the wheat harvesting in the Sindh. And then a very typical representation of some beautiful scenes from the province of Punjab.